What's happening at school today?
It's Fine Arts Day.
Awesome. Can you say Fine Arts Day?
Fine Arts Day.
Good job.
I got the big spot. Yes, everyone. Yes, each of us at the Dingos. 9 to 13. Pray then like this. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. On a cold winter's night that was so deep, little Bo Peep fell fast asleep and dreamt she heard them bleating. But when she awoke, she found it a joke, for they were all still fleeting. From the great